Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the topic of hydroquinone plus cream, exploring its uses, benefits and potential risk. First of all, we are talking about what is hydroquinone. Hydroquinone is a skin lightening agent commonly used to treat hyperpigmentation issues such as melasma, A-spot, freckles, and dark patches caused by various factors like pregnancy, birth control pills, hormone medication, or skin injury. Viewers, if we talk about how does hydroquinone works by inhibiting the enzyme tyrosinase, which is involved in the production of melanin, the pigment responsible for skin color. By blocking these process, hydroquinone help to lighten dark patches and even out skin tone. Viewers, if we talk about the benefits of this cream, its effectiveness in reducing hyperpigmentation makes it go-to solution for achieving a more uniform skin tone. Available in various formulations such as creams, gels, and serum, it caters to different skin type and preferences. Versatile in treating pigmentation issues caused by diverse, including hormonal changes and sun damage. Viewers, if we talk about risk and side effect of this cream, while generally safe, hydroquinone can cause skin irritation, redness, dryness, and increased sun sensitivity. Prolonged or improper use may lead to severe side effects. Consultation with a dermatologist before starting hydroquinone treatment is crucial to assess suitability and avoid potential risks. Adhere strictly to prescribed usage instruction and avoid overuse. Incorporate sun protection measures by applying sunscreen with high SPF daily and limiting sun exposure. Maintain skin hydration and minimize irritation by integrating moisturizer and gentle skincare product into your routine. In conclusion, viewers, Hydroquinone Plus cream holds great promise in addressing hyperpigmentation and achieving a clear, more radiant complexion. However, responsible use and proper skincare practices are essential to reap its benefits safely. I hope viewers you like my today's video. If you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for joining us today as we delved into the world of Hydroquinone Plus cream. If you found this information valuable, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more skincare insight. Until next time, take care and embrace your beautiful skin.